Hello, welcome to the kitchen. It's breakfast time. I was going to try and go a bit longer before I ate, but I'm getting really hungry. I was up in the middle of the night eating Scotch eggs as well. You know how much I love Scotch eggs if you follow this channel. I had 2 of them. Anyway, I need to eat, so I'm going to make some food. We are looking at upgrading our power. And I know I've been on about power in this channel before, but I was looking at the Fogstar. We just put a new battery in Harley's van. It was the Fogstar 460 amp hour, and she's having great fun with that, or great success with that. She can go a whole week without having to charge. It's brilliant. She's loving it. But I was looking at the Eco Drift, or the Fogstar Drift Eco 628 amp hour battery. It's £900, I think, which is quite dear, but I'm thinking if I have that, because at the moment I've got a 200 amp hour LiFePro 4, so that'd be a 628 amp hour LiFePro 4. That's 3 times bigger and a little bit more. Then I can get rid of one of my power stations, because I'm carrying the All Powers around and an EcoFlow around. I'd rather just keep the EcoFlow because it's a bit lighter, a bit smaller, a bit more agile, and get rid of the All Powers, so I can sell the All Powers, sell the 200 amp hour LiFePro 4 I've got, get a bit of money back. So I'll probably need about 700, maybe 650, maybe 6 if I'm lucky. Still 600 quid though I've got to find. But if I do that, it means I can have an induction hob again. Rather, I'll show you, rather than using this. So then we can get rid of that, then we don't have to carry gas. There'll be no gas in this van at all then. That's the only gas we've got now. But there used to be an induction hob here, but Tracy broke it. So I've put a chopping board there, because there's obviously a big hole where the induction hob was. Something fell out of there and smashed it. So I took it out, put that there for now. So it's all ready to go. The hole's there, the plug's under there. So I could put an induction hob back. The reason I got rid of the induction hob, because it was a bit too juicy. You know, it did kind of zap the power a bit. So that's why I didn't replace it anyway. And we just went, oh, we'll just use one of them. And we've been using that ever since, about 1.5 years. But with the bigger battery, I reckon we could go back to induction hob, which would give us 2 rings as well. Keep that as a spare if we ever need it. Put it in the lockup or whatever. Do you know what I am saying? That could be good, but I need to raise some funds, don't I? Anyway, let's cook some food. What we got here? I've got this thing. Tracy makes me these in the morning. It's like a healthy, I don't know what's in it. It's stuff for gut health, so we'll drink that as well. It tastes alright. They always taste different. Oh, that one tastes a bit fruity, this one. Okay. There's Scotch eggs in here. Oh, there's Scotch eggs in there. I think there's some chicken I've got to eat, but I was going to try a recipe that I've seen on a fellow YouTuber's channel, Mad Mark. If you haven't seen his channel, I love watching his videos. He's awesome. He's local to me as well. But yet to meet him, but one day. He does this really cool. It looks really nice. It's really simple as well. But he makes these like 4 fried eggs on sourdough bread. But I don't have any sourdough bread, so I might not do that today. I might do that another day. I might do a cooking video, and I'll do his like the meal he makes. It looks really good. Anyway, I think I'm going to try and find the chicken. Probably have a chicken roll or something like that. Yeah, found the chicken. So this is the other thing. See, I need to heat this up really. I don't, because it's out in the fridge and it's cold. It's cooked a few days ago, and I want to heat it up. So it's like, well, the only way I can heat it up really is to fry it. I could get the air fryer out, but I'm on house battery at the moment because the EcoFlow is being charged and the All Powers is dead. And I don't really want to juice the house battery down, so I'm gonna have to probably fry it. Yeah, I'll have to do that. That on there. Bit of squirt. And then let's get a roll. Got some roll here. Oh, I love these. Love these rolls. Got to be eaten. I might have. Shall I have 2? Shall I have 2? Oh, that's a bit naughty, isn't it? I'm gonna have 2. get rid of them. I know Mrs H will want me to get rid of them. Carbon monoxide. Alright. I really only want to heat this up. So, this chicken. Lid on it. Just turn it down. Cut me rolls. BRB. Seems to be a lack of mayonnaise, which is not good. Okay. That's heating up, right. Cheesy mayo rolls. I've diced it up, stuck it back in here just to heat up a little bit more. Let's get some crispies, shall we? Might as well go the whole hog. What's in here? I don't think that's supposed to be in there. Oh, we got some fish and chips, or we got some... Oh, I might go for the McCoys today. Don't normally have them. Not really into chocolate and stuff, so we'll leave that. See, normally I would have eggs. I usually have eggs every day, about 4 in an omelette. Cheesy. Oh, that's hot. That's going to be good. Cheesy omelette and stuff. Peanut butter and bread. But this is alright. This needs eating, so I'm going to chow down on this. Yes, look at the steam coming off that chicken. Lovely. That's a good way of heating up the chicken without using the air fryer. Oh, that's hot. That's really hot. It's a lot of chicken. Sorry, Mrs H. Didn't save you any. She did say it needed eating though, so we're just going to have that. And that'll be me lunch. Lunch and breakfast. Oh. Yeah. Stick them on there. Oh. Jubbly. Deserves a little bit of mayo on the side, doesn't it? There you go. I do love me mayo. People take the mickey out of me because I have mayo with everything, even a roast dinner. There you go. Nice. Living like a king. That was yummy. I only had one of them though. The other one's in the fridge. Honest, so I couldn't do it. So I'll have that a bit later. Right, I do need to get up and get some diesel for the diesel here. It's about that much in the bottom. So I'll do that in a minute. Get a shower. Got me diesel. God blimey, I tell you what. Didn't realise how cold it is out there. Freezing. That's got to go in there. So it's right at the bottom, isn't it? Gluggity glug glug. I think I need to get a new tank because this lid, I've got a new tank actually in the lockup, but it doesn't screw on properly anymore. That's why. Alright, full. Yeah, that's an 8 litre tank, so that'll last about 3-4 days depending. I'll put how many litres did I get? About 9 litres. So I've got a couple of litres left in the can as well, so that'll definitely do us to the end of the week. 13 quid I think I spent. So that's that done. Diesel heater's on Alpine mode, which is the lowest setting, and it's a nice 19-20 degrees in here, which is perfect. It might even be a little bit too warm actually, it feels, but because there's no wind outside, so there's no like air blowing through, so I might just stick the fan on actually. Come on, mate. Go. There it goes. Oh, that's nice. It just pulls a bit of air through, which is lovely. Alright then, So I'm going to edit some video. So thanks for hanging out with me again. Not much to say really, except living like a king. Whatever you're doing, happy travels, and God bless you. Peace till next time.